Hey y'all, it's Charity Nicole and welcome to my channel.
Ay, yeah. And that's how I feel when I'm with you.
So before we get into this video, I want to let y'all know that everything on this channel is faith, lifestyle, and headstone trends. So if that is something that you're interested in, definitely follow me across all social media platforms at itscharity.nicole so that you can indulge yourself in some relatable black girl content, okay? Without further ado, let's get into the video. Actually, I'm in the middle of filming a YouTube video, so it's gonna be my birthday vlog. So I don't know which one is gonna go up first, but whichever one goes up first, definitely make sure to go watch it. Just got out the shower and my dad is actually coming to take me out for my birthday. He's coming soon. So I was like, you know what? I really got to go ahead and do my makeup. But I actually want them to see that this makeup tutorial is so fast. Actually, I'm going to do another timestamp when I'm done with the skincare. So I will be using this Clear Choice SPF Age Protectant. I don't use primer. I just use a lotion. So this is all I'm going to use. So now I'm going to use this Hydro Nourishing Eye Cream. And I just noticed that when I put it on and over my eyes, the application is a lot better. It's currently 10:51 and we're gonna really get started. So it might be a little bit longer because I am talking, but it shouldn't be that long. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. A lot of people say that they like to do this off camera. I did want to show y'all at least one eyebrow. Y'all can see how I do the eyebrows. I never really had eyebrows when I was younger. So the fact that I even have a little bit to play with is actually exciting. As I'm doing my makeup, I'll just do a little story time of how I feel for my birthday, turning 21 as a young woman of God. 21 is a big milestone for a lot of people because at legal age to drink, legal age to smoke, it's kind of like entering into adulthood. And so a lot of people, this is like a really huge milestone for everyone. Before I continue, I will be using this Anastasia DipBrow gel in the color chocolate, and then I'll be using the Anastasia DipBrow brush. Honestly, I'm just glad to see another year. It's not as exciting as I thought it would be. I don't know what to expect. I know some things I did as I was 20 years old is something I don't want to repeat in this next year. And wait, I had to pray before I do my eyebrows. Dear Heavenly Father, I pray that my eyebrows and my makeup looks flawless, looks good. I do it in a timely manner, all before my dad comes so that I am able to get everything out of the way and it not look rushed. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. This summer, I actually got a new job, which I'm really excited to talk about on this channel, and y'all will see a little bit of it because I'll be making vlogs talking about my new job, and I'm really excited to show y'all, but I can't really say, oh, I don't really want to say anything now. It's not necessarily that I can't, it's just that I don't want to spoil it. So now I will be using this full coverage concealer in the color Chestnut. I don't know why, but this thing looks like skin on me. I try to use a little bit because it is full coverage and a little bit goes a long way. A few things I've learned this year is that like I can't keep worrying, and the longer I worry, the less time it's going to be till I get it. Just because if I'm so worried about it all the time, I'm never going to be able to focus on what God has for me in this season. One thing that I've been really struggling with is being patient and loving others properly. I think that because I yearn for, you know, a godly relationship, that's my main focus. And I'm like, I can care less about friends, but like you need friends. Like I need friends. I'm a people person. I love people. So I just used this HD concealer and foundation by Kiss. It's in Fawn, F-A-W-N. Is that as like a highlighter. So back to the story. So in 2020, I had prayed that God would hide me because I don't want to go through another failed, I guess, talking stage, because I'm like, they're so draining. Just to get to know new people all the time is like very draining. I have to be patient in this season. Work on myself, honestly, because I need to learn how to love myself. I need to learn how to love others properly before I even think about a man. But also knowing that if God were to send that man to me right now, would I be ready? Absolutely not. Right here is just water, so it's nothing special, but in here before was a skin recovery mist by Cell Science. So I'm going to take a Q-tip, spray water on both sides. This is my favorite part. To build better relationships with my family. I realized I'm about to move out very soon. Not very, very soon, but like sooner than I thought I would be moving out. And I just want to make sure that my relationships with my parents and my sister is solid so that when I move out, I feel like I do have a strong support system, because I'm an extrovert and I don't like to be alone for long periods of time. Like I could be alone by myself, but I know that I'm always gonna come home to somebody in my house, you know? But just to come home to nothing but a house and the Lord. That's gonna be the true test. So now I'm gonna be taking this IONI lashes. This is what they look like. They are so cute. So I cannot find my lash glue, so I'll be using the Bold Hold Active Don't Judge. One thing that I've realized is that although I'm an extrovert, my social battery has gone down a lot more. And I think it's just because I can't always maintain that type of energy all the time. Like I get excited when I get around new people, but like I can't maintain that energy all the time. And sometimes I think that's the expectation of people when they first meet me, is that, oh, she's like this all the time. So I'm learning how to show up as my authentic self, where I'm like most of the time, rather than what I am in that moment. So while these lashes are drying, I will be taking this wet dry press powder, paraben free, and it's in golden tan. And I'm telling you, it's like skin. I'm going to take this powder. This is what it looks like. It melts it. Like, I love this stuff. I also wanted to take content creation seriously. I'm going to school for elementary education. I don't know how long I'm going to stay in it though. So now I'm going to take these lashes, and because my lashes are so curly, it's actually annoying. I push it down. Put it on the line. Sometimes I cut it and sometimes I don't. It just depends. This is one eye. I don't know how I feel about it. Now I'm gonna put this one on and we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to make sure that the eyelashes pop just a little bit more. So I'm going to put some concealer on top. I might take these lashes off during the day because they do feel a little heavy. I will be using this True Complexion contour palette. I like to use the sculpt and contour both together and then put it right here. And I go back and forth between the two, and I just put it around the perimeter of my hair. And I go kind of into the concealer that I put on my forehead, just so it can have like an ombre blend and not look too harsh. And then I take this LA Colors lipstick. It's in the color red. It's called Berry Red. And I just do 3 dots. And I take my brush and blend it out. I take my contour palette again, and I do the sculpting and make sure to carve out my nose. And then I end everything with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take this B Beauty Essential and this RK Beauty color design in the color Ebony. It's like a dark purple. And I'm gonna outline my lips. My lips look humongous. And then I take that in the middle. Ah, I am in love. After I get this little lip look, I like to kiss paper really quickly. Just like that. And then I go in with like a gloss, but I can't find it right now, so I just might leave it like this. Last thing, I go in with highlighter on the sides and on the nose. Sometimes I go in with the inner corners, but I'm not gonna do too much today. And this is the final look. Yes, so this is what everything is looking like. I spray it one more time just so it can all melt together. But this is what it looks like. Thank y'all so much for watching my makeup tutorial. Just wanted to do a quick little video before I get back into my birthday vlog. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.
Ay, yeah. And that's how I feel.